Now you're going to be able to see better. I'm going to go slowly. This is the back side. Okay. This was the left side. Now the front. You've got your cross on the top. And then Benjamin. And right in the bottom, you've got the Famille Biguy. Now the only one is the right side. Charles Louis George. That's the baby. Enfant de Dominique.